Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing good, and today in this video I wanted to share my secret how I got longer hair just in a span of month, and they are so much healthier as you guys can have a look at it. So I'm going to be telling you my secret recipe, and for this you will be needing an aloe vera leaf. Now aloe vera contains aloesin, and it is a compound which is great for your skin and for your hair as well. I have kept the leaf for 5 to 10 minutes so that the yellow liquid can ooze out. It is very essential that you remove it, otherwise it can cause some serious damage to the skin. After that, just remove the thorns, which is going to make the whole process a lot easier. It also has anti-acne agent, guys, and if you apply this oil, which I'm going to be telling you how to make it right now, for 2 to 5 days, it can improve your acne by 50%. Now I have cut the aloe vera into small pieces, and now I am going to be placing it in water for some time. Now aloe vera oil, which I will be telling you how to make it, also contains phytochemical which has lots of therapeutic value. It helps in stimulating your hair growth. It also has antimicrobial property which acts as excellent cleaning agent, guys. After that, I'm going to put it into grinder. Now guys, I want to introduce you all to this Mama Earth hair range, which consists of a shampoo, a conditioner and a hair oil. Now this range has cold pressed almond oil and vitamin E, which is very good for your hair, and it also helps in promoting hair growth. So first of all, I'm going to be using almond hair oil, which again has vitamin E and avocado oil. So I'll tell you what it does. It helps in promoting healthy hair growth, and it deeply nourishes scalp and hair, guys. And it also helps in preventing premature graying, and it is going to be suitable for all skin types. I'm going to just take a little and apply it all over my scalp. So what I usually do is I leave it for 1 to 2 hours before hopping in the shower. And also this doesn't have any silicones, parabens, mineral oil or dyes. After that, guys, I am gonna be cleaning my hair thoroughly using this almond shampoo by Mama Earth. It has almond oil, vitamino acids and vitamin E. Vitamino acids penetrate deeply to moisturize and condition hair shaft and protect the natural keratin. It also helps in increasing elasticity, reduces frizz and improves hair strength. It also has vitamin E, which helps in preventing hair loss and also improved blood circulation. And cold pressed almond oil is rich in biotin, which is great source of nourishment for stronger and softer hair. After that, I rinse it out using lukewarm water. And Mama Earth official app is finally here. The link is gonna be in the description box, guys, and all of the products are free from nasty chemicals. And after that, I am gonna be using this Mama Earth almond conditioner, which has almond oil and vitamin E. Again, it also has coconut oil, which helps in nourishing your hair thoroughly. So I'm gonna take a little and apply it on the 2/3 length of my hair. Now it helps in deeply nourishing the hair and reduces hair breakage by making them soft and smooth. I'm gonna leave it in my hair for good 2 to 3 minutes, and after that I will rinse it out. And I never use hot water on my hair, guys, because it can really damage your hair. So lukewarm water is going to be good for me. And if you use my code Ritu2022, you're going to get extra 20% off. The products are available on Nykaa, Mama Earth, Amazon and Purple. After that, guys, I add some castor oil, which increases blood flow to the scalp, which promote healthier hair, and applying it for a month can boost your hair growth up to 5 times the usual rate. A few drops of tea tree oil, which has antimicrobial property and makes it an excellent cleaning agent, and rosemary oil helps in promoting hair growth for hundreds of years as supporting evidence. I am gonna grind it all, and after that I am gonna put it on heat. Now just make sure that the heat is gonna be the lowest, because the properties of the aloe vera and all the oils need to stay intact. And after stirring it for some time, you guys will be able to see aloe vera and your oil separating. Now this contains aloesin, which is going to be great for your scalp. The oil contains growth stimulating compound like glucomannanas. It has antimicrobial properties as well. It helps in healing dry and damaged scalp. Now after that, I'm gonna put it through the sieve. Once it gets cooled down, our oil is ready, guys. So the oil is gonna look green, guys, because of the presence of chlorophyll in this. Aloe vera had chlorophyll in the leaves, so yes, this is how it is gonna turn out to be. You can store it for a month. It is not gonna contain any undesirable smell. It is not gonna be rinsed, and you can look at my hair. It is so much stronger, smoother, and especially I focused on the hair growth. It is definitely there, guys. I loved the results. I made it. It is very easy to make, and one batch is gonna be good for 1 to 2 months for you. And if you still have any queries, guys, you can let me know in the comments down below. I would love to answer it for you guys. Also, please stay tuned for the next video. I will be using same oil on my skin for 7 days. I won't be adding essential oil for sure. So this is all. I hope you guys like the video. Love you all so much.